Imagine this. You've just won the lottery, but instead of blowing it all on a yacht shaped like a giant rubber duck, you decide to make your money work for you. Welcome to the world of investments where your cash isn't just sitting in your pocket, gathering dust. It's out there, doing push-ups, getting stronger, and hopefully multiplying. 1. The time-tested savings account. Oh, the humble savings account. It's like the reliable friend who's always there when you need them. But let's be real, they're not the life of the party. Benefits? It's safe, FDIC insured, and as easy as pie. Risks? Well, your money might grow slower than a snail on a lazy Sunday. Inflation could be your silent enemy here, nibbling away at your purchasing power. But hey, it's a start, a foundation, a safe harbor for your financial ship. 2. The steady eddy and bonds. Bonds are like lending money to Uncle Sam or some big corporation, hoping they'll pay you back with interest. Benefits include regular income and a relatively low risk if you stick with government bonds. Risks? Well, if interest rates go up, the value of your bond might go down faster than a lead balloon. Plus, there's always a chance the borrower might not pay up, though that's more of a worry with corporate bonds. 3. The stock market, a roller coaster of dreams. Dive into the stock market, where you can own a piece of the next big thing, or, well, the next big flop. Benefits? Potential for high returns that can make your heart race. Risks? Volatility that can give you whiplash. The market can swing like a pendulum, and if you're not careful, you might find your investment plummeting like a skydiver without a chute. But with research, patience, and a bit of luck, it's where fortunes can be made. 4. Mutual funds, the team sport of investing. Think of mutual funds as a basketball team, where your money plays with others to score big. Here, professionals manage your investment, diversifying it across a bunch of stocks or bonds. Benefits? Diversification reduces risk, and you don't have to pick the players. Risks? Fees can eat into your returns, and if the fund manager's strategy is off, you might not see the scoreboard you were hoping for. Still, it's a great way for beginners to dip their toes in without diving into the deep end. 5. Real estate, bricks, mortar, and money. Investing in property is like planting a tree. You nurture it, and if you do it right, it grows into something beautiful that can provide shade for generations. Benefits? Potential for both rental income and property value appreciation. Risks? Liquidity. You can't just cash out like you can with stocks. There's also the hassle of being a landlord unless you go for REITs, real estate investment trusts. Plus, markets can crash, leaving you with a white elephant instead of a golden goose. So, there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly strategies to start your investment journey. Each route has its charm and its challenges, like choosing your path in an RPG. Remember, the key isn't just to invest, but to invest wisely. Educate yourself, spread your risks, and maybe, just maybe, you'll turn that lottery win into something more sustainable than a duck-shaped yacht.